Hello students, today we are going to go over chart number 7 with our special sounds, and we're going to look at each special sound. We're going to spell the special sound, say the special sound, and look at some examples for these special sounds. All right, so we're on chart number 7. And the first one is burr in bride. B-R says burr, burr, burr in bride. Brain, breeze, brush, brick, broke, brisk. B-R says burr in bride. Then we have dur in drum. Dur in drum. D-R says dur in drum. We have drip, dream, drive, drop, dry, drain. D-R says dur in drum. Then we have purr in pray. P-R says purr in pray. Press, prune, pride, print, prop, praise. The P-R says purr in pray. Then we have G-R and it says grr. Grr in grin. G-R says grr in grin. Grass, green, grip, gray, grapes, grain. G-R says grr in grin. Then we have sm in smoke. S-M says sm in smoke. Smile, smoke, smash, smell, smith, smack. S-M says sm in smoke. Sm in smoke. Then we have S-C. S-C says sk, sk in scat. Sk in scat. Scuff, scale, scope, scab, scone, scalp. S-C says sk in scat. And S-K makes the same sound, sk in skate. S-K says sk in skate. Skin, ask, husk, task, skip, sky. So S-K says sk in skate. Then we have S-P, sp, sp in spade, sp in spade. Spain, spell, spoke, spin, spine, and spot. S-P says sp in spade. Sp. C-R says cur in crab. Cur in crab. Cross, creek, croak, crib, crisp, cry. C-R says cur in crab. T-W says tw in twins. Tw in twins. Twig, tweet, tweed, tweet, twine, twist, and 12. T-W says tw in twins. S-P-L says spl. So you have the S-P in spade, sp, and then you just put the L on. Spl, spl. So when you see SPL all together, these three are a special sound, not just the SP, but the SP and the L all together make a special sound. Spl and splash, splash. Split, spleen, splint, splat, splendid, splendid. So the SPL make a special sound, spl and splash. Then we have spr. So we have the special sound sp with the R. So these three together make a special sound by itself. SPR is the special sound spur in sprain. Spur in sprain. SPR says spur in sprain. Spring, sprint, spray, spree, sprig, spry. Remember the Y at the end of a short word makes an I. Spry. SPR says spur in sprain. SCR says scur. So we solve the SC in scat. So with SC and the letter R, it's another special sound, scur in scream. Scrub, screech, screen, scrap, script, and scrape. Now here we have scrap and scrape. We have one vowel, so it is short, ah, ah, ah. And here we have two vowels. So the first one is long and the second one is silent. Scrape. Then we have squa and squeak. SQU says squa and squeak. Squa and squeak. Squid, squeeze, squeal, squeak, squint, squish. So SQU says squa and squeak. Then we have SN, sn, sn in snack, sn in snack. Sneeze, snake, sniff, snap, snail, snug. SN says sn in snack. Sn. SL says sl, sl in sleep. SL says sl in sleep. Sled, slip, slim, slant, sleeve, and slide. So SL says sl, sl, sl in sleep. STR. So we've learned the st and stop. Now we're adding the R to it, so it's stir, stir, and stream. Stir and stream. Stray, stripes, stroke, street, strain, struck. STR says stir in stream. And SW says swa in swim. SW says swa, swa, swa in swim. So we have sweet, swell, swift, swam, sweep, swish. Swa, swa, swa. SW says swa, swa, swa in swim. Now here we have a few examples of these special sounds, okay? So we have spur and sprain, and A and pray from chart 6. So this whole word is just special sounds. Now normally when you have one vowel in a word, that vowel will make our short sound. But if you know and remember your special sounds, then you'll see the AY and remember that this is a special sound. So this A is not a short A. It is actually the special sound A in pray. A in pray. So this says spray, spray, spray. Here is also the per and pray and the A and pray. This one does not have the S, so it's just the PR. When you see the S with the P and the R, these three are a special sound together. Not just this. All three are a special sound. Without the S, then it's just the per and pray. Spray, pray. Here we have the SK in skate, and we have one vowel, and this is a short vowel. Ask, ask. We will do these two at the end. Let's go to this one and this one. Here we have the sk in scat, and we have two vowels here and one vowel here. Remember, when you have two vowels, the first vowel makes the long sound, and your second vowel is silent. So this would be sk-a, scale, scale. And here we have only one vowel. So when you have one vowel in a word, it usually makes the short sound. So we have one vowel, so this is short. Scalp, scalp. Ska-a-a, ska-a-a, scalp. And then here we have the burr and bride, the sk in skate again, sk and skate. And we have the one vowel, so it's a short I, burr, isk, brisk, brisk. Now with these two here, we have the sn in snack and the sn in snack. Now here again, just like up here, we have one vowel, so it's short, and here we have two vowels. So the first one is long, the second one is silent. And then we have the k in duck. Now, in previous videos, I've explained the CK and the KE. When you see the CK or the KE, then that means the vowel before this is short and the vowel before this is long. Okay? So if you have an A, so here we have SN, and then we have the A, SN with the A. This is a short sound, so we will add CK. See the short, like a smile, and this one is long, so it's KE. Okay? It's just a little trick to help you to remember that CK goes with the short sounds, and KE goes with the long sounds. Snack, snake, because they both say k, k, k. So this will help you to know if it's short, sna, a, it gets CK. If it's long, snay, a, k, 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 it's KE, since they both make the k, k, k sound. All right? So these are a few examples of taking apart a word and putting together a word with our special sounds, with short vowels and long sound vowels from our chart number 7. Very good, students. That'll be all for today. Bye.